So check this out.
He lies about everything. He does it so I won't worry. My dad is the biggest liar in the whole world, but he is my hero.
What if I told you that this entire animated movie was created using nothing but AI? No animation team, no expensive software, just me, my laptop, and an AI tool called Deevid AI. I know what you're thinking. There's no way that's possible. But trust me, it is. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own Disney-style animated movie from scratch, step by step. So grab a coffee, and let's dive in. Alright, first things first. Before we touch Deevid AI, we need to plan our movie. And honestly, this is where ChatGPT or any other AI writing tool becomes your best friend. I will ask Gemini to write the story. Open up Gemini and ask it to create a movie concept for you. Create a 2-minute Disney-style animated movie script about a young girl and her dad. Within seconds, I had a complete story outline with a beginning, middle, and end. The AI gave me character names, plot points, and even suggested emotional beats. Pretty cool, right? For tutorial purposes, I am creating a short video. You can make a longer video. Okay? As our script is ready. Now, I will generate the detailed prompts so that we can create the scene images. And to do that, I will use Google AI Studio. After logging into Google AI Studio, come to the right side. Here, first of all, select the Gemini 3 Pro as the LLM model. After that, come to the System Instructions tab. Here, we have to enter a proper prompt guide so that we can generate scene-by-scene prompts from the story. I am entering the guide. Don't worry, you will find the prompt guide in the description. Now, come to the text box at the bottom of the page. Here, we have to paste the full script or story. I am entering my story. Now, simply hit the send button and then wait for some time. The Google AI Studio will analyze the story and the prompt guide and then generate all the prompts. And here it is. You can see that all the prompts are ready. All the prompts are very detailed. All right, now that we have all the prompts, let's move forward to the scene image creation. I will use Deevid AI to do that. This is not just an AI image or video creation platform. It's a platform for content creators. You can access multiple high-end models that allow you to create images, videos, lip sync, avatar video, music, speech, and even edit your video using AI. I will put the link in the description. Once you are on this page, click on Try Deevid AI, and then create your account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be something like that. On the left sidebar, you will find all the tools and features. As we want to create images, I will select the AI Image tool. Here you will find 3 options in the AI Image Generator tab: Image to Image, Text to Image, and Templates. First, we will generate the character images. So, I am coming to the Text to Image Generator tab. Now we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I will just copy and paste the first character description. After entering the prompt, set the image generation model. You will find a few options. I will select the Nano Banana Pro model. After that, set the aspect ratio and the image resolution. In the end, select how many images you want to generate. Once everything is set, hit the Create button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The image is ready. Look at the result. This is a perfect image for our character. It looks like a perfect Disney-style character image and perfectly fits our story. Now, in the same method, we have to generate the father character image. The process is the same. Copy the father character description and then paste it into the prompt box. After that, set all other settings and then hit the Create button. After waiting for some time, I got this image. This one is also perfect for our story. Now, in the same method, generate the third character image. Okay, now we have both the characters for our story. Now it's time to create actual scene images from the story. To do that, I will use the image-to-image generator. Now first of all, we have to enter the character image as the reference image. For the first scene, we need the character of the daughter. So, I am uploading the image. Once the image is ready, I will enter the prompt. Just copy and paste the first scene prompt. After entering the prompt, set the image generation model. I will select the Nano Banana Pro model. Next, set the aspect ratio, image resolution, and the number of images you want to create. Once everything is set, hit the Create button. Now, we have to wait for some time. I am fast-forwarding the video, and here it is. The image is ready. Look at the quality. This is a perfect Disney-style image. Looks like it was created by a team from Disney Studios. I like it. Now let's move forward to the second scene image creation. This scene also contains only the daughter character, so we don't change the reference image. However, this is a continuous scene of the first scene. That's why I will upload the first scene as a reference image so that we can get a very consistent result. Once done, I will hit the Create button and then wait for some time. And here it is, the second scene is ready. And the result is amazing. I like it. Okay, now let's create the third scene. In this scene, we need the father character. So, I am replacing the reference image with this image. Once the reference image is set, enter the third scene prompt and then generate the image. Okay, this is the third scene image. And it's really good. Now, in the same method, generate all other scene images. If you find any issues, you can regenerate the image. Alright, all of our scene images are ready. Now it's time to turn all of them into video clips. To do that, we have to use the image to video generator. Okay, this is the image to video generator interface. Here you will find three options. Start image to generate a single image to video. Between images, if you have both the start frame and the end frame of the video. And reference image, if you have characters and props of the video, and you want to create a video with text prompts. For our first scene, we have only the static frame, so I am selecting the start frame option. Now we have to upload the image. I am uploading the first scene image. After that, we have to enter the video generation prompt. To generate high-quality video clips, we need high-quality prompts. I will again use Google AI Studio to generate high-quality prompts for every scene. Open Google AI Studio in a new tab and then come to the System Instruction Guide. This time, I will enter a prompt guide so that I can generate a video generation prompt from the story and an image generation prompt. I am entering the prompt guide. Once done, come to the text box. Here, we have to enter both the story and the Nano Banana prompt. I am entering them one by one. Once you are done, hit the Send button. And here it is. You can see that Google AI Studio is generating a very detailed prompt in JSON format for every scene. Here it is. The prompt is ready. Now, it's time to generate the video. I am copying the very first prompt and pasting it into the prompt box. After that, we have to select the video generation model. Here, you will find a bunch of options. Among them, Master V2 is powered by the VO 3.1 model, and you will also find the Sora 2 model. You can use one of them. I am going to select the Master V2 model. After that, select the resolution, video duration, and the aspect ratio of the video. Once everything is set, hit the Create button. Now, we have to wait for some time. And here it is, the video is ready.
Asked us to write about our hero today. That's easy.
This is really an amazing video. The motion, style, music, voiceover, everything is perfect. I love this result. Okay, our first video clip is ready. Now let's create the second video clip. The process is the same as the previous one. Upload the reference image. After that, enter the second scene prompt, set all other settings, and then hit the Create button. And here it is. The video is ready. Now, in the same method, create all other video clips. If any video is not up to the mark, then you should just regenerate the video. Okay, all of our video clips are ready. Now we have to save the video and then assemble it with a video editor. You can use anyone. If you need additional voiceover or music clips, you can generate them inside Deevid AI. There are so many other features available on Deevid AI. You can generate avatar videos, create ads, and much more. Okay, my video is ready. Let's have a look at it.
My teacher asked us to write about our hero today. That's easy.
It's my dad. He is the strongest man in the whole city.
He's the funniest. He's the smartest. He has the best job in the world. Oh. But sometimes I think Dad is actually a magician. Because he's really good at tricks. He tricks me that he loves his big office job. He tricks me that he's never hungry. He tricks me that he's never tired. And that he's always happy. He lies about everything. He does it so I won't worry. My dad is the biggest liar in the whole world, but he is my hero.
How was this? Let me know in the comments section. So, now you can create this kind of amazing animation video using Deevid AI. If you want to create your own animation studio, don't forget to try this method. I will put all the links in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go create something viral.